So today's topic is how to make people shut up. The thing is like कि आप हर किसी को खामोश नहीं बिठा सकते, आप हर किसी के माउथ को शट नहीं कर सकते. जिसको जो बोलना है बोलेगा, but you have to ignore, you have to focus on your goal. That's it. Because there are so many mouths that will stop you, that will stopping you to do everything that you wanna do, that you wanna achieve, that you are capable of, that you are confident in, for everything. But you have to ignore them. You just have to listen to yourself, not others. That's the actual life that you can build when you stop listening people. Okay? As there are thousands of mouths, बट आप हर किसी के माउथ को जिप नहीं लगा सकती, आप हर किसी को खामोश नहीं बिठा सकते और आप हर किसी को जवाब भी नहीं दे सकते. ओके? बिकॉज इतनी कैपेसिटी आपके पास है ही नहीं और इतनी एनर्जी भी आपके पास नहीं है कि आप उन सबको सर्व करोगे और स्टिल आपके पास वो एनर्जी बच जाएगी. नो. सो यू हैव टू सेव योर एनर्जी एंड जस्ट इन्वेस्ट योर एनर्जी वेयर इट एक्चुअली नीड्स. Okay, just understand the process, understand the thing. You can only build extraordinary things when you stop listening people, when you stop listening everyone, when you stop listening the world. Okay, just be like this. No, I can't listen anything, I can't. Okay, you can only listen where is in your mind happening, what is the running in your mind, the idea that your mind have. Okay, and listen no one, listen nobody, and listen nothing. Just listen to yourself, listen to your brain, listen to your inner voice. Okay, because nobody has a right to tell you to what to do, to tell you to what you have to do. Nobody has a right like this. So you should have confidence in yourself that what you are doing is right, what you are doing is actually the way that you are building what you want. Believe me, that's the only way, that's the actual way that you can build. So the clear point, आपको करना क्या है, आपको बस इतना करना है कि आपको आपके पास वाली जो भी नॉइस है उस नॉइस को इग्नोर करना है. आपको हर किसी को इग्नोर करना है, किसी की नहीं सुनना है. जस्ट ओनली लिसन टू योर ब्रेन, लिसन टू योर माइंड. दैट्स द ओनली वे. आई एम सेइंग दिस अगेन एंड अगेन. यू हैव टू लिसन नो वन, नो बडी. ओके, लिसन टू योर सेल्फ ओनली एंड योर इनर वॉइस एंड योर ब्रेन. एंड द बिटर ट्रूथ इज, nobody knows here what is right and what is wrong. Nobody knows. They are just following the mindless things, they are just following the mindless concepts that society tell them. They are just following blindlessly these things. But you don't have to do this. You don't made for this, to follow the blindless things. You have to follow your own way that you have made for yourself, for your future, for your upcoming life. Yes, there are so many people out there. They will stop you, they will make you feel inferior, they will make you feel the saddest person in the world. But यही वो जगह है जहाँ पे आपको प्रूफ देना है कि yes, मैं स्ट्रांग हूँ, I can do everything, I can handle everything, because I can. Because God made me for this. I'm not born to be the weak soul. I am born to be the strongest one. That world has to be take advice from me. That world has to be follow my footsteps. Okay? You should be the inspiration for others. You should be the mentor for others. Don't follow blindless things. Okay, don't follow ever. follow your own way, follow the right way, and follow the convenience way. Listen nobody, follow yourself, follow your opinions, follow the right opinions, and don't follow anybody's opinion. Because people who can't do anything right in their life, so what's they have a right to give you advice to do the things in your life that they don't even know. They don't even know what is right or what is wrong, and they come to give you an advice, and they come to give you the opinion, the useless opinion. They don't have a right. So it's your responsibility to recognize what is wrong or what is wrong and what is right. It's your responsibility. So don't follow immediately. First, you have to listen. You have to think. And you have to analyze what is wrong or what is right. Then you can make your sense. Then you can make your way. Trust me, I am saying this again and again. If you follow the people, अगर आप आपके अराउंड के लोगों को सुनोगे, उनके माइंडसेट को फॉलो करोगे, उनकी बातें सुनोगे, देन आपका कुछ नहीं होने वाला. देयर विल बी नो फ्यूचर फॉर यू. So you must have to listen to yourself, your inner voice, and think what is wrong and what is right. You have to put your sense, okay? कॉमन सेंस होनी चाहिए इंसान में कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए. एज अ ह्यूमन, एज अ राइट पर्सन, एज अ पर्सन that has a great future in their life, you should have to know. It's your responsibility, okay? Don't take it light. So shut them up. Trust me, अगर आप अपने ओपिनियंस भी उन्हें शेयर करने की सोच रहे हो, उन्हें एक्सप्लेन करने की सोच रहे हो, तब भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला. They will don't understand you. Even they will don't even listen to you. What's your opinion and what's your thought? They don't, okay? So only one thing that you can do, I'm saying this genuinely, listen carefully. The thing is, you don't have to explain yourself. You don't have to speak up anything for them. You just have to show them results. Yes, I'm saying this again. Don't speak, show them results. That's the only way. That's the only way out, okay? That's the only way out. Society will not trust you. People will not trust you. Your family will not trust you until or unless you give them proof. Until or unless you show them results. Got it, please. Show them results. So the topic of the video is how to make people shut up. The answer is show them results. That's the only way out.